Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Apex Classes, and today we are discussing this question, and the question is the sum of four consecutive numbers in an AP is 32 and the ratio of the product of the first and the last term to the product of the two middle terms is 7:15. Find the numbers. So for this you have to remember one thing is that if there are four consecutive terms, then you have to take the terms as, let the first term be a minus 3d, second term be a minus d, third term will be a plus d, the last term will be a plus 3d, so that our question will become simple. Now the first condition is given that sum is given as 32, therefore we have to simply add these terms. So we will have a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d, and their sum is given as 32. Now this will be cancelled by this term and this d will be cancelled by this d. So we will have 4a equals 32, and on simplification we will have a equals 8. This is the first part of the question. Now the second part is given that the ratio of the product of the first and the last terms to the product of the two middle terms, which means these are the terms, this is the first term, this is the last term, their product we have to do, and these two are the middle terms, their product we also have to do. So we will do, according to the second part, we will have to do a minus 3d into a plus 3d. Ratio means division, and in the denominator we have to product of the two middle terms, therefore we have to product a minus d into a plus d, and this comes out to be 7:15, means 7 upon 15. Now in solving this by simple algebraic identity, we will have a square minus 9d square divided by a square minus d square, which comes out to be 7 upon 15. Now on simplifying this, these two are the fractions, so we have to cross multiply. So we will get 15a square minus 9 into 15, that is 135d square, equals 7a square minus 7d square. Now taking the like terms together, we will have 15a square minus 7a square, that is 8a square, equals, and this side minus 7d square plus 135d square, that is 128d square. So we have d square equals 8a square upon 128. This is the value of d square, and on further simplification we will have the value of d square equals 8a square upon 128 divided by 8, so we will get a square upon 16, therefore d square is a square upon 16. Now what we will do is we will put the value of a, that is 8. Now putting the value of a, we will write, putting the value of a, we have d square equals, value of a is 8, so a square means 8 into 8 upon 16, therefore 8 to 4. So we will have value of d square as 4. D square is coming as 4, therefore d will have two values plus minus 2. These are the value of d. Now we know the value of a, that is 8, and we have calculated the value of d, that is plus minus 2, and we have to find the numbers. Numbers are, these are the numbers, these four are the numbers: a minus 3d, then a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 3d. So what we will do is we have to put the value of a and d. So we will get first term, taking d as plus 2, because we have two sets of values d, that is, if first is plus 2 and second is minus 2. So first we are taking as plus 2, so we will have first term, that is a minus 3d. A minus 3d will be how much? 2. Second, a minus d, so it will be 6. Third is a plus d, it will be 10. And the last is a plus 3d, so this will be 14. Now second part, if we take the value of d as minus 2. Now if we take the value of d as minus 2, then also we have the first term is a minus 3d. Then in this case the order will reverse, that is last term is 14, so this time this will be the first term. Then second term is a minus d, this will be 10. Third term is a plus d, this will be 6. And the last will be a plus 3d, and this will be 2. So these are the values of 4 numbers. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and also press the like button. Thank you.